You've probably heard that marketing claim out there that light bulbs dim over time, especially headlights. This is actually true, and it's not marketing gobbledygook. The reality of it is that that tungsten filament inside, well, as it's lit up, those little tiny molecules will break off from that filament and then stick to the glass, blocking the transmission of light from the filament itself. Also, those tungsten particles, as they break off, well, it causes the wire to become thinner. We all know that resistance, as it builds up, causes something to run hotter, and it's not transmitting as much light. Also, it's running a little bit hotter, so it's more fragile for bumps and going over the road. So just keep those two things in mind. With that tungsten filament, it's coating the inside of the glass, blocking transmission of light, and then also it's creating a different resistance that's making this bulb run hotter and burn out sooner. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.